If you run a caravan or campsite like this, there are special regulations that apply to your electrical safety inspection. I'm Jamie Morgan, I'm an engineer at EICR Electrical Safety Inspections, and we carry out regular inspections for electrical safety on caravan parks, campsites and other businesses across Surrey, Berkshire, Hampshire, Kent and Sussex. Some of the things you'll find here on this site, for example, are some of the hazards related to being outdoors and members of the public. So that's why we're really interested in making sure they're kept safe. Here we've got one of the electrical hookups that's fitted with an RCD to make sure that the power disconnects if there's any problems on the site. So this is quite an old unit. It's a weatherproof box. It's got a commando socket outlet each side and a single RCD protecting both of those sockets. So we can have two campers, caravans on the pitches here with two separate supplies feeding from that box. They'll be supplied by an earth rod to make sure we've got a TT electrical installation, and that means that we've got to make sure that those RCDs are tripping in time with the BS 7671 to protect those people that are camping or using their caravans here on the pitch. There's a lot that happens to these. Through the bad weather, these RCDs can be temperamental. They need to be tested regularly. They need to be checked, and they need regular maintenance to make sure they're working as they should do. We can have vandalism. We can have people playing about with electrics. We can have people overloading things because they think they can get away with it. And there's a lot of adapters and things that you can buy cheaply on the internet and don't necessarily come from this country and comply to our standards. They're quite regular to find things that have been modified, adapted or changed since the original electrical installation by a competent engineer. Also, a lot of caravan sites and campsites originated as farms originally, and they tend to have less than the best history when it comes to installation standards. So sometimes there's some things that have to be brought up to code to make sure that we're working in a safe way and protecting the public. If you'd like some advice about electrical safety for your caravan site or campsite, then why not give us a message? Let's have a conversation and we can inspect your premises and make sure that both you, your business and the members of the public are all kept safe. I'm Jamie Morgan from EICR Electrical Safety Inspections.